Well,
I realize I got myself, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. Talk about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. Talk about that from now on. I'm gonna be.
hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. I am in Five Below because this girl said that she found a digital camera in here, and I want to see if I can find it in my Five Below. I saw it on TikTok, but right now I'm in like the stationery and crafts area because baby Drew, y'all know she loves her art stuff. So I'm trying to see if there's anything over here I think she would like. She loves these, but she's had enough of these. I was looking at these metallic markers. These are cute. I did want to get her some sketchbooks, but I think I might find that stuff at Dollar Tree. Just add water. Oh, she likes these. Okay, I'm about to get some dumbbells for Brock because he's really into working out. I think I might get 2 5-pound ones. What about the 4 pounds? You know what? I think I'm gonna do 2 5 pounds for him. Okay, I just found it. Wait, I think this isn't it. Oh, instant print digital camera. No, this isn't the one though. But that's cool. I like that. This one's pink. Oh wait, this is the black one. Pink one. Mini digital camera, HD photos and videos. Includes camera, memory card, C cable. This isn't the one she had though. The one that she had flipped out. But that is some good stuff though. I did run to a few other places, but I didn't vlog it. I was just like kind of in and out. But I stopped at Crumbl Cookie. And I got 6 different cookies this time. Usually I have to get 2 of the same cookie, but I was able to get 6 different cookies. Oh, my little cake fell over, which I didn't know they had little mini cakes. They didn't have this the last time when I got the last cake. Still has that nasty whipped icing though. I don't like that. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. I don't remember what any of these are called. And then in this box, I don't know why they put it in different boxes, but here are these cookies, which I'm most excited for this strawberry one right here. I was about to get 2 of these. The one in the middle is a Nutella one, and this one on the end looks really good as well. That one looks delicious. This box looks better than that box. But yeah, I'm gonna wait to eat these and save those for later. And then I stopped at the Chinese restaurant that we went to last week. I just wanted some noodles and egg rolls. I was like craving that, and I'm starving right now. Even though I ate breakfast, like I'm really hungry. But I got some noodles and 2 egg rolls. I got some chicken lo mein and 2 egg rolls. Then I stopped at Total Wine and picked up this red wine. This is like my favorite red wine. It's so good. But I didn't get much from Five Below. The only thing I got was those 2 dumbbells for Brock, because he's been asking for these. I got 2 5-pound ones for him. And then right at the checkout, I found these hand sanitizers. So I'm gonna give one to the kids, and I'll take one. I don't know which one I want though. Maybe the Island Coconut. I don't know, Brock might want the blue one. I may end up giving baby Drew the cotton candy. I don't think I want to smell like cotton candy. Fruit punch will probably be the one I get. But yeah, I did get these hand sanitizers. So that was all I picked up today. I'm about to eat my food. Man, I am so hungry. Those egg rolls were so good last time. nuts with the veggies. Steaming hot too. Okay, I'm about to enjoy this. Delicious. I'm currently frying some chicken. It is 2:30. I'm trying to get this done now because I feel my sleepiness coming. So when the kids come home from school, whenever they're ready to eat, they can just grab this. I'm probably gonna whip up some sides. There's some mac and cheese in the fridge that I need to make. And then there's also some carrots, grapes, and other things that they can have with this chicken. I don't think I have any like chicken flavored rice or any type of like fried rice. I got white rice, but I don't think they want that. Got brown rice. But yeah, I don't have any other kind of like rice-a-roni type of situation. So, and I didn't have any well, I got broccoli in here. I could make some broccoli with the chicken. Here's dinner right here. Chicken tenders, broccoli, mac and cheese. Brock's not gonna want mac and cheese, so I didn't even put that on his plate. But here is their food. So whenever they get home, they can just heat this up. If it's not still warm, they can heat it up and eat it. I'm about to go lay my ass down because I need at least a couple hours of a nap. It's a while later. It's a long while later. It's 10 o'clock. And I haven't even touched these Crumbl cookies yet. Let's get this nasty one out the way. I can already tell this is gonna be my least favorite. This cake one. I love how they made a mini cake though. That is cute. And I left these cookies out and this needs to be refrigerated. Hopefully it's still good. It's not as milky as the last one, which I appreciate. I will put all the names of these cookies on the screen because I forgot what these are. But I love these. The ones with the funfetti cookies, I like these. Yeah. They're very sweet. So if you don't like super sweet stuff, don't go to Crumbl Cookie. But this is good. Now we have this one. It just tastes like a chocolate chip cookie. I don't know what that's supposed to be, but it's not that. It's like a regular chocolate chip cookie. They just shaped it differently and threw a scoop of icing on top. That's it. There's nothing special about that. Not exciting. Okay. The strawberry one. Not a fan of the cookie part. Yeah, I don't know what that cookie is, but not a fan of that. The icing though, chef's kisses. It's super sweet. Tastes just like strawberry. Really the only thing you taste in that is the icing. Like the icing is really good. As far as the cookie, cookie tastes like nothing. Cookie tastes like absolute nothing. All right. This one's cute. She's cute. Oh, this one may have been refrigerated. Well, I'm so confused. It's like some mousse on top with the brownie at the bottom. Or what is this at the bottom? I guess it's supposed to be like a brownie at the bottom with like some Nutella mousse. Is this the Nutella one? I don't know, but this mousse stuff on top is not it for me. That ain't it. Texture of that is horrible. Flavor isn't all that great either. If this is Nutella, it's not giving Nutella at all. It's giving like chocolate pudding and grainy brownie crumble at the bottom. Not good. Okay, I don't know what this one is, but this looks promising. Okay. Definitely peanut butter. I'm never usually a huge fan of peanut butter cookies, but that's not as like so powerful. This is pretty good. Yeah, I do like that one. All right, let's rate these. The cake. The cake, I'll give a 2 out of 5. The Funfetti cookie, I will give a 4.5 out of 5. This chocolate cookie right here, chocolate chip cookie, I will give a 1.5 out of 5. I think this is like a strawberry cupcake cookie. I will give 2.5 out of 5. The Nutella one, 0.5 out of 5. And then the peanut butter cookie, I will give that a 3.5 out of 5. I like to check on the website before I go get the cookies because sometimes the cookies aren't really like given for me. But the layout for these cookies, the type of cookies this week were very different. So I was wanting to try that. That's all for this part of the vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna pick the camera back up tomorrow. We will see. But as of right now, I'm about to find me a movie to watch and then go to bed. So I'll see y'all later. That's what I found out. And it ain't